Hello and welcome to the visualization. I'm here at the LA taco truck today at the Armory in Lewiston, Maine. They are based around both Lewiston and Auburn, Maine. They were kind enough to make me just one taco rather than two. I paid $6 and they made it vegan for me. So I also specially requested like no tomatoes or mushrooms if they had them. I don't think they use mushrooms, but go ahead and give it a go. It's really good. LA Taco Food Truck on both Facebook and Instagram. And I gotta say, biting deeper into this taco, I got more flavor, more sauce. I believe I got the sweet Thai chili sauce. So good. So good.